Hi, my name is Aaron Rogers. I'm the welding teacher here at HCTC, and I'm excited to give you this information. First of all, if you're interested in welding here, you got to take the Intro to Welding class on your home campus. So make sure you sign up for that. I'm sure they get crowded because we get crowded up here with this class. So make sure you do that as soon as you can. Once you take that class, make sure you do a good job in there, and make sure you listen to the teacher and you learn as much as you can learn, and make sure that you pass the OSHA 10, because you cannot sign up for these classes up here without OSHA 10. And hopefully you just work hard and do good in the intro class. When you get up here, I teach Welding 1 and Welding 2. I really like for you guys to have all your PPE is what we call it, your welding shirt, your closed-toed leather shoes, your welding hood if you have one. If you don't, we can loan you one on a daily basis, safety glasses, and some sort of non-ripped jeans just for this class, and to keep it up here, and then that way you'll never be without it. Also, Welding 1, my primary concern for them is them working on certifications. The certification that they will work on first is a D11 structural steel welding certification, and as soon as they pass that, they are welcome to add additional certifications to their primary card. If they do decide to add additional certifications, they are $30 a piece, which is actually a pretty good deal for you, because once you graduate, in order to get additional certifications, the minimum is $250 every time you test. So that's a pretty good opportunity. Welding 2 can work on advanced certifications such as flux core welding or TIG welding certifications, maybe a little bit of pipe welding, and then they also work a lot on projects and fabrication. You learn how to take those welding skills and put them into a practical real-world situation where you're actually constructing something. In addition to that, Welding 1 and Welding 2 students are welcome and able to join Skills USA and try to make one of the competition teams and go compete. We compete at district, and then hopefully from district you make state, and so on. Also, next year, my plan is to put together a welding trailer if I can figure out how to do that. And we're going to take that welding trailer around to different schools in the Metroplex when they host weld-off competitions. And we'll have some fun doing that. You'll get to meet industry professionals. You'll get to get real-world practical experience in a variety of different settings, different shops, and different programs. And you'll also meet some peers and some people you may have some contact with later on in your career. Hopefully all of this leads to you graduating and getting your endorsement, your business and industry endorsement, and then you get a great job making lots of money, and you're happy with what you do. The last thing I'm going to tell you is there's a class fee. It's payable on the first week of class. It's $75. That helps cover some extra costs because the welding program is very expensive. And you get one certification for the school pays for one certification. Any additional certifications you have to pay for yourself. Thank you.